Hello everyone. So this is our second video, and as we normally discuss, today we would like to we'll discuss how market opened and how it behaved and how we have taken our trades, where we kept our stop losses and where we have exited our trades. Right? So let's get on with it. Today, as you can see, market opened slight gap down somewhere around 80 to 100 points. So normally on Monday, what we do is we wait for 15-20 minutes for let the theta decay of the last 2 days to get settled, and then we enter in a new trade. So as you can see here, when market opened, it was forming very small candles, very tiny candles. So we did nothing actually. We waited and kept waiting. We were under the impression that today market might remain flat because as I have shown you in my previous video that OI was equal on both sides. So we have waited at 10:45 when this 10:45 when it formed the full body red candle. The candle size was of 247 points. So exactly at this point, we have entered in our trade and booked our trade here because we were under the impression that it will go towards 51,000. Eventually, market went towards 51,000, but it took a very sharp pull. So we thought that it's better to book our position because whenever market falls, it falls very quickly. It takes time to go in a bullish direction, but whenever market dips, it dips too quickly. So we thought that because it is slowing down here, there might be a possibility, and market is already falling from last 3 4 days. In fact, the whole week last week. So we thought that's better to book our profits here. So we have booked our profits, captured a significant amount, somewhere around 50 60 points. So it was the number of the quantity what we have taken that was quite sufficient for today. So we thought that let's book our trades because it was somewhere around 51,100. So we have exited our trades here. Then again, the second trade what we have taken, that is when 11:20, um, this candle formed somewhere around 358 point full body green candle, and again it took support at resistance at 50 MA. So we have entered in a bullish trade, but we have kept the quantity very low for the second trade because in the first trade we have captured enough points. So we were done for the day. And for the second trade, we have kept the quantity low. However, we have closed this trade here because as our stop loss was at this point. So we have exited our trade in the third candle in a loss of somewhere around 60 70 points because the quantity was very less. So the loss was very insignificant. Then again, we did nothing. It touched 51,000. We were under the impression that this is the maximum level where the market can really go. So we have waited and did nothing actually. Then at around 12:45, again you can see 12:45 formed a full body red candle. The candle size is 173 points. So we have entered in a trade, third trade. Again for the third trade also we have kept the quantity very low because in first or two trade we maintain our quantity. In the later stage we avoid the trade. If even if we go ahead if the market is in some kind of momentum, bearish or bullish, we keep the quantity very low. So in the third trade we have entered here and booked our profits here because 51,400 we were under the impression that if once it breaks 51,000 it might go towards 51,500. The moment it reached that level of 51,500 we have booked our trades here, and again we were done for the day. After that we have shut our systems everything and we did nothing actually. We was just looked at the market, looked at the level what it was doing. Here is a very interesting thing happened. At around 2 to 30, DI bought me very significant amount. They tried to pull the market in almost in 15 minutes. Yes, as you can see, market shot up somewhere around 1100 points, 1000 to 1100 points. So from 50,000 390 to 50,000, almost 500. So yeah, somewhere around 1100 points. And DIA bought it, FIA sold it. Why I'm saying FIA sold it and DIA bought it because the kind of momentum what you're seeing here, that is not practically possible for a retail to drag the market in such a rapid pace. So as you can see here, SBI also same thing, 230, HDFC also, yes, 230, ICICI Bank also 230, Axis Bank also 230, Innocent Bank 230, sorry, that was Kotak, and IndusInd Bank also 230. So as you can clearly see that the kind of momentum what we are seeing here, that is not possible for retail to drag the market in in such a high frequency. So we thought that let's not participate in this slaughterhouse, because we were very clear that once we have achieved our targets, we will shut our terminals for today and we will just observe the market. It was quite a scene, I mean, you know. So this is what exactly what we have done. We have taken three trades. Two trades we have closed in profit, and one trade here we have closed in loss. Yes. Yeah, one trade here we have booked our loss. So three trades we have taken, two closed in profit and one in loss. For the first trade, we have here we have taken a full quantity, and this trade also we have captured significant amount as I have told you. So in the second and third trade, we have kept the quantity very. That was our strategy for today. All right. So what we are looking here. So what is the outlook for tomorrow? So tomorrow for Bank Nifty is very clear. If mm, the market goes above with a, I mean 850, then only we can think of bullish trades. As the market trend is very negative, as we all know, I mean Nifty and Bank Nifty, the major support was of 24,800, as I have explained in my previous video. So today it went towards 24,700, and again it took the support and tried bouncing, but it didn't recover actually. So there is what it is. Overall market trend is negative, but as you know, the problem is the FII is actually selling in quite a significant number. The one reason what I've explained you, people might say that Middle East conflict and everything. But yes, that is one part. But global markets are not not got very affected by this whole turmoil of Middle East. So one thing that is Indian markets was overvalued. Everyone knows about it. People might not say it, but mainstream channel they always say that buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And what is happening with buy the dip? Everyone can see it. It's all for you to just open a terminal and check out any stock. You can easily figure out. But anyways, being a trader, one should figure out that what is the actual reason and why it is happening. So the actual reason, what as per our analysis, it says that because China market is showing significant strength, so FIIs are actually booking their profits in Indian markets, and they are investing that amount in China market, because they think that China is a better value investing, and the PB ratio of China is somewhere around 10. Our PB ratio is very high, somewhere around 25, 27, if I'm not wrong. Check it for yourself. So we are quite overvalued anyways. So that was supposed to happen. It happened eventually. So yeah, and I'll show you something very interesting. That is on a daily time frame. For Nifty, it closed for the third day below 50 EMA. Now the next target is at 100 EMA, that is 24,400. Let's pray that we don't see this level, because if the market goes to this level, then a lot of traders or investors who has taken MTM positions, they have kept their stop losses somewhere around 54,800. So if I'm not wrong, and this is what we see, then we might see a significant correction. I mean, yeah, so let's hope for the best that if market respect this level. And in Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty today broke even 100 EMA and closed below that. So the if the market breaks that level of 50,400 again tomorrow, then we might see 50,000 is the first level, then 49,750 will be the second level. Then the 20 200 EMA is at sorry 200 EMA is at 49,500. And please pardon me, there's my I'm not very quite fond of I mean I'm not used to making videos, so sometimes I fumble and everything. So with time I hope I'll sort it out. So this is what it is, and the 44,900 is the 200 EMA. So this is what it is. And let's look at the FIA data. FIA data is it out? FIA data is out. Yes. FIA have sold 8,293 crores and DIA has sold and bought 13,245 crores. So DIAs have got of money, lot of money. Indian retail are very bullish on Indian market. So these are all the money what we normally give them in mutual funds and SIPs and everything. So DIA clearly, I mean, it's front of you. FIIs are continuously selling and DIIs are continuously in buying mode. Ideally, DII should wait a little bit because these levels are very high. I don't know what returns they're really expecting to give it to their investors. So again, it is thing to consider. But anyway, they are big players. We are very small. So our job is to find out where we can capture 100 on 150 points in daily trading, and we are done for the day. But today was a good day for traders, especially. So yeah. Then the second set of data what we look now is our option chain. So what the option chain data as we maintain every day. So the Nifty closing level is at 24,795.75. Total number of calls sold 1 crore 32 lakh. Total number of puts sold 22.49 lakhs. PCR is 0.46. That is based on daily. On weekly it's 2 crore 62 lakhs. 2 crore 47 lakh. Not much difference here. PCR is 0.94 on weekly basis. 2475 is 750 is the current support level. If it breaks this level, as I've explained you, it can drag market little bit more further down. So yeah, for the bullish trades, you can only think of once it breaks this level of 24,850. The data seems neutral as of now. The Bank Nifty is for 50,478.90. That's the closing level. The actual tick, if you see, here, the actual tick of Bank Nifty is at 617. So here, 617, and the adjusted closing is at 50,478. So if anyone who thought that they are smart enough and tomorrow might market open gap up because of global market or some other things, they are already sitting in loss. So let's see. So the adjusted closing came somewhere around yeah 200, 280, 160 points down. So yeah. So Bank Nifty is again neutral. Not much data here. That is the total number of calls sold 50,000. Then 50,400. Sorry, put sold is 60. Sorry, sorry. Yes. 50 lakhs 4,078. And total number of put sold is 60 lakhs 1,000. Yeah, 60 and 9 lakhs. PCR is 0.51. Total number of calls sold on weekly basis, that is 74.57. Total number of puts sold is 1 CR. So here Nifty Bank Nifty is looking slight bullish actually, but only time will tell that how bullish actually it is. But yeah, I mean the support is at 50,400. So again, as I've explained you, 50,000, once it breaks 50,400, then it will go drag the market towards 50,000. And if it breaks this level of 50,750, not 750, I mean 850, then it will pull the market towards 51,000. HDFC Bank, the closing is at 1617. Total number of calls sold is 65 lakhs 63,000. Total number of puts sold is 12 lakhs 0.9 thousand, and the PCR is 0.43. Total number of calls sold is 151. Here it's 1 crore 51 lakh, 1 crore 66 lakhs. PCR is 1.10. Support is at 1600. So I hope it retains this level of 1600. Otherwise, it will be investors will be in complete shambles. So market is at a very crippling state. You can say that. So yeah. So 16 for a bullish trade, you can only think of after 1630. Data is neutral. For ICICI Bank, 1233, as I've explained you, 1230 is the major support level of ICICI Bank because it is taking support at this level since quite a long time. I mean, if you look here at ICICI Bank in 30-minute chart, so yeah, this is the level of 1330. It is trying to hold this level from a very long time since. Yeah, so there is a major support. If it breaks this level, then it can fall a little further. If not, then we'll try recovering from this level. So 1233.90. Total number of call exited. Actually, people have exited calls. Call short, that is 2 lakhs. That is again a short covering, you can say, or I mean panic exit on both sides. So 1 lakh 23,000 people have actually exited their put short also. PCR is 0.51. Total number of calls sold overall, that is 1 crore 40 lakhs, 1 crore 4 lakhs. It is looking bearish. Yeah, 1230 as I explained you, 1250. After once it crosses 1250, then you can think of bullish positions. Now before that, 770 for SBI. Total number of calls sold, that is 61 61 lakh 28,000. Total number of put sold is 33 lakhs 83,000. ECR is 0.67. Total number of calls sold here, that is 4 crores. So 8 lakhs 3 crore 10 lakhs put sold 0.76. So SBI is clearly very bearish. We don't want to say it, that's why we have written bearish. I mean, people, if we clearly make it red or say it's very bearish or something of that sort, people might say that we are criticizing our market. No, we are different, we are different, we are different. Who are you to tell us? So that's why we have written slight bearish. Enjoy. And Axis is 11:45 the closing. So I mean, look at the banks. Just imagine about the people who has invested at these levels. I mean, 1203, 1217. I mean, when are they going to get their money out? If you have that bandwidth, you can keep your money invested in market for next 5 years, 10 years. It's fine. But if you have a shorter window, then again you are stuck on these levels. Huh? So one should be very smart with the levels where you are investing your money, and these are not the investing level. Markets are even now market are at a very higher level. So there's no point investing money. I mean, we are no one to suggesting you. We are just giving you a perspective. We are not a SEBI registered analyst or something. We are just giving you our perspective. When I say investing or buying or bullish position or bearish position, we are not recommending anyone to make your positions. We are just giving our perspective, and we are making this video to also to keep our records. And to understand this, that whenever you are investing money or you are thinking of buying a particular stock, go to a SEBI registered analyst, talk to them, or go to a Yeah, I mean, civil estate guy who are the better equipped person to help you in these kind of, these sort of areas. So yeah. So 1145 is the current level of Axis Bank, and total number of calls sold, that is 26 lakhs 58,000. Total number of puts sold is 7 lakhs 1 crore 89. It is again very bearish. Yeah, it is bearish. So 11, if it holds 1140, well and good. If it doesn't hold 1140, it can drag the market a little further down. So yeah, for bullish positions, very clear. After 1165 only, you can think of bullish positions. Kotak, Kotak is at 1790. I mean, just think about the person who has bought the Kotak stock at 1934. Just think about it. And on Monday, yeah, the Kotak is at current level is 1790. Total number of calls sold is 4 crore 38 lakhs. Total number of puts sold is 3 lakhs 6,000. PCR is 0.51. Weekly it's 9876. 56 lakhs. So yeah, again it is bearish. So current support of Kotak Bank will be 1780. If it's breaks this level of 1780, it can drag more further market downward trajectory. And for bullish position, you can only think of once it sustains the level of 1800. For Anderson Bank, 1350. I mean, in 1 month, their stock dipped 100 rupees, even more than 100 rupees, more than 100 rupees. 1350 the current level, anyways. So total number of calls sold is 6 lakh 65,000. Total number of puts sold, that is on daily OI change I'm talking about, that is 5 lakh 73,000. PCR is 0.69. Total number of calls sold here, the weekly overall OI, that's 90. Sorry, no, sorry, guys. Sorry, again, there is my second mistake. So all these banks data, what we are discussing here, these are not weekly, these are monthly data for all the banks except Bank Nifty and Nifty. So I'm really sorry. This is my second video, so I'm little confused, and fumbling, and everything. So please bear with me. With time, I'll definitely try to improve myself and do a slightly much better analysis. I mean, I'm good with numbers, but when it comes to speaking or so yeah, it is my first time, so I'm trying to. I'll try to improve myself. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. So 9226, the total number of calls sold, and 66 lakhs 93,000. ECR is 0.73. Current server support is at 1350 and 1370. So if it breaks this level of 1350 also, then again it will drag them up Anderson Bank towards 1300 level. If it doesn't break this level and go towards and sustain this level 1730, then we can think of something positive. Data is bearish, so I mean again as day for yesterday, as except SDFC, all the banks are looking bearish only. New, nothing much. Today the treasury yield in US 10-year treasury yield again went above 4%, 4.0 something. So Middle East conflict, Haryana election results tomorrow. If BJP loses Haryana, then again our markets might have some effect, might not have. It completely depends. I think these are the current news. I mean, on Wednesday we have RBI monetary policy. So Asian markets close positive. So again, the China and Korea and Japan, Chinese market were anyways close. I'm talking about Hong Kong. So yeah, they were positive. Europe was down, and US is also down. If I'm not wrong, yes, US is also gap down. They are trying to take the support of this 42 150. Yes, if it breaks this level, then it will go towards 41,000. Ideally, I don't know, because of Middle East conflict, global markets are not taking, significant slowdown or significant correction, only our market. And that I've told you the reason, because of the Chinese market. If you talk about the ADR and everything is down, for Bank Nifty. So what I will do is I'll post this video and around 12:30 1 o'clock I'll post a short video for global markets. See, Nikkei was positive. Korea was also positive. Hang Seng was positive. So I mean, these is what is actually happening. China is a extended holiday something, so they are closed. Might open tomorrow, I don't know. But Hong Kong is again positive. So yeah, it's all because of China market, the boom in China market. So FPIs are booking out the profits in Indian markets and parking their money in Chinese markets. So this is what exactly happening. So guys, we be very cautious at these levels, whatever you do. And tomorrow is Fin Nifty expiry. We have not given you the level. If you want Fin Nifty expiry levels, also please let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to make the data for you. But as we don't do expiry trading, so I mean expiry is it can either make you a millionaire in one day or it can take wipe out your entire capital. So we don't play that kind of game. I mean, I know people what they call us treat us gamblers and everything. So, but we don't do gambling. We stick to our data and everything. So data is looking very negative. Let's hope that the fall stops here and we try recovering from these levels, because if it breaks these levels, then again we can see significant downturn in the Indian markets. So this is what it is, and these are the current levels, guys. And whatever you think of our data analysis and everything, do let us know in the comment section. And this video has, if it has helped you in any way, or if you want something to improve, or we are missing out on something, please let us know. Definitely, we'll try to sorry, improve our content with time and remove our fumbling and everything. So yeah, with time, definitely I'll do it. And thank you for watching. Please watch this video, share it with your friends and fellow trader groups, and also do let us know about the chart analysis. That are we the type with kind of positions and entry we are taking, that is correct or not? Or you guys are taking good trades? Was our entry wrong? Was our exit right? Whatever it is, do let us know. And thank you for watching. Keep listening and stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.